In 1933, the Great Western Railway introduced the first of what was to become a very successful series of railcars, which survived in regular use into the 1960s, when they were replaced with a new British Rail, first-generation, type diesel multiple units. Design. Bodywork. The original design featured streamlined bodywork, which was very much the fashion at the time. The rounded lines of the first examples built led to the nickname Flying Banana. The preserved W4W is an example of the original rounded body shape. Later examples, such as No. 22, pictured, had much more angular and practical bodywork, yet the nickname persisted for these two. Heating. An odd feature of these units was the fitting of steam heating to them, which had the power to heat the railcar and another 2 to 3 coaches. Powertrain. An unusual feature was the external cardan shaft drive from the gearbox on the rear of a horizontally mounted engine-to-road vehicle-style reduction boxes outboard of the 2 axles on one bogie. Later units had 2 such engine and drive combinations placed on opposite sides. Railcars 19 to 20 were fitted with a separate high-low ratio gearbox on the final drive side of the gearbox. This allowed a top speed of about 60 to 70 miles per hour, 97 to 113 kilometers per hour in high, and about 40 to 45 miles per hour, 64 to 72 kilometers per hour in low. Railcar W2OW retains this in preservation. Fleet list. Preservation. 3 of the GWR railcars have survived into preservation, as follows. Models. Hornby Railways manufacture a model of the 1940-style railcar in new gauge, using tooling acquired in their takeover of Lima. In late 2017, Dapol released a new model of the streamlined 1936 Gloucester RCW railcars in a variety of liveries and numbers. Graham Farras has produced an N-gauge model with various numbers, e.g. 19, 22, and 20, both before and after their takeover by Bachmann. See also GWR steam rail motors, GNR, AEC class railcars, CSD class M290.0. Further reading. Allen, Jeffrey Freeman. February 1983. The GWR's Flying Bananas. Rail Enthusiast. EMAP National Publications. pp. 26-31. ISSN 0262-561X. OCLC 49,957,965. Riley, Dick. May 1983. Railcars Remembered. Rail Enthusiast. EMAP National Publications. pp. 32-35. ISSN 0262-561X. OCLC 49,957,965. The Great Western Archive. British Diesel Rail Coaches.